When have you ever gone to the mailbox, saw a letter from the IRS, and were excited to open it?
Unless there was a check in there, never.
This is Lou and Dave here with tax tips, keeping more money in your pocket. We're going to share with you 5 ways to avoid unwanted IRS attention and receiving those dreaded letters. Number 1, not filing a tax return. The IRS has all of your W-2s, 1099s, K-1s. They have the information. They're expecting you to file a tax return, so file it.
Number 2, you want to make sure that you're aware of the industry averages. What I mean by that is, on the expense side of things, if you're a certain type of business, the IRS generally knows what to expect on those line items for those different kinds of expenses. If you get too greedy and you go too high, it could be a quick way for the IRS to say, hey, let's take a look at this. This doesn't seem right to me.
Number 3, not providing additional information when the IRS is expecting it. If there's a line item for other expenses, other deductions, and you just put $10,000 and you don't tell the IRS what it is, the IRS is going to ask you, and then you're going to get caught and they're going to not allow the whole expense.
You want to avoid filing a Schedule C on your personal return that has little or no revenue. The IRS may see that and look at that as if the taxpayer in that situation is just looking to lower their taxable income, maybe increase a refund, lower a balance due. It's a very easy way for the IRS to say, this does not look legitimate, open your books.
Number 5, not filing 1099s when you're supposed to. If you take an expense line item for subcontractors or contract labor, and you're supposed to issue 1099s, you better make sure you issue them. The IRS could come back to you and make you pay unpaid Social Security and Medicare if your contractor did not file a tax return or did not report that income.
Last one, we're going to give you a little bonus one for this first part of our tax tips. And this one also might sound obvious, but the math's got to add up. What we mean by that is, if you've got line items on your tax return that say add up to $10,000, but that total line adds up to $12,000, the IRS is going to stop reviewing immediately and ask for more information, if not send a full-blown audit letter. Can't tell you how many times we've seen that come through our door. So as always, the numbers don't lie.
If you have any questions or comments, please contact us. At Xendoo, we are here for you and your business.